So guys, first come to this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then click to search button and then type your model number of motherboard B760 DS3H WiFi6E generations 5, then hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then select your operating system. I am using Windows 11, so if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this method and install driver because installations process same. Okay, chipset driver, you can see like that, this is driver, and just click to download. Here to downloading, just single click to open and double click to exe, then click to yes. Now this is chipset driver installing, then click to OK and then close it.